Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Tick. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your mobile device with faulty screen such as black dot. As you can see, I'm using this one. So let's try to fix it and subscribe my YouTube channel for more helpful content. So first of all, you have to open settings, then search for advanced features. So after this you will see one-handed operation. So just tap on it and enable it. So you can see you can easily control your device with one hand by quickly pressing home button 3 times. After this you will see your mobile device screen size is reduced and you can use your phone just like before, and you can see there is no any black dot irritations because your mobile device screen size is reduced and you can use complete functionality without any problem. Hope this video helped, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more helpful content. Share this video to help others, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more helpful videos. So thanks for watching.